Okay, what annoys you most about me?
You are so gentle.
And
now, because she's so cool.
What do we have in common? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Folakemi and you are watching Folakemi. To you all my old subscribers, so in today's video I'll be doing sister tag with my lovely sister here.
Hi guys.
What's your name? Tell them your name now.
Hi guys, my name is Omawumi.
Omawumi.
Oh.
Omawumi.
Now.
So her name is WUMMY'S and she also has a YouTube channel which is WUMMY'S Kitchen. I will be linking her YouTube channel inside the description box so you can all check her out as well. So we have our questions. I have my question I want to ask her with me here on my phone. So I'll be asking her sister tags question, and she'll be answering me. Answering me. Okay,
No
let's
problem.
do it.
Let's get right into the battle.
So my first question is, what do you hate about me?
You're so gentle.
So you hate that? You hate the fact that I'm so gentle?
Yes, I hate it so much. Okay. She's so gentle.
Okay. My second question is, what's the fondest memory that we have together?
Have a lot of fun memory together. I cannot choose one. We have a lot.
So my next question is, who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
No.
Who takes longer?
She's the one. She takes long. Like if you want to go somewhere, maybe like okay, we are going to somewhere at 4 o'clock. Just be telling her, Falake, please, we have to be ready by 2 o'clock. Maybe she will take maybe 2 hours to get ready. That is why.
Not my fault. Don't blame me.
Okay.
I'm a lady.
Okay.
I'm a lady now.
Next question, please.
My next question is okay, what annoys you most about me?
You are so gentle.
And
now, because she's so cool.
What do we have in common?
We both love to cook. Yes, we both love to cook. Yes, we both love. We love to cook.
Okay. What do I think most?
Future. Yes. She think about the future most of the time.
Am I a ill person or flat? Ill or flat?
Oh.
In terms of shoes.
Shoe. Really? No. Flatty. Slippers and sandal. Slippers or sandal. We are good to go. Yes. We don't wear heel. No.
What's our biggest fight?
Biggest fight.
We don't have.
We don't.
We fight though.
But we don't have biggest
We
fight.
disagree with each other, but we don't fight.
We don't fight.
What's the nickname the family calls you?
Ayababa. It's very simple. Ayababa. She's our grandpa wife. Yes, grandpa's wife. Yes. They usually call her Ayababa, 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 Ayababa. That.
What's my favorite food and my favorite drink?
The favorite food. Okele.
What kind of okele?
I think eba.
Eba tutu.
Yes, she loves eba tutu. Eba tutu and obe efo.
Bure.
Eh-heh.
Oloboro.
We call it bu oloboro in Nigeria. She
If
like
you are from Abeokuta, you know this thing. Buri oloboro pẹ̀lú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbígbẹ ẹ̀kọ́ ayé yá sí. Àṣàmú egu.
that's what she love eba and buri oloboro.
The bure should be hot like this. Hot.
eba
Fún
tutu.
ayé eruku and eba tó ti cold.
And eba too. She love it.
In fact, if you give it today, I will thank you for the next 1 month.
Yes, so next question, please.
Another question is describe me in 3 words.
Amazing,
One.
beautiful,
Aww.
and hardworking.
Aww.
That's it.
All together, independent lady.
Independent.
I'm independent, but at the same time, I still depend on
Yes.
my man and my daddy.
Abi.
We must to collect from them.
Abi o.
Not every time, Sha.
Next question.
And the last question, which is going to be my last question, is who is most talented?
Both of us. Both of us. Both of us.
The two of the both of us.
The two of the both of us. Both of us.
the two of the both of us, we are both in talented.
I think-
And so that's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn off the post notification bell to get notified anytime I post a video. We love you.
Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to check my channel also.